Hey guys, I wanted to show you real quick how you can use a Google Slides document to demonstrate your learning. So sometimes your teacher will assign a Google Slides assignment, and there's a couple of different ways that might look. So I just wanted to show you and give you some tips for how to complete those. So one way that you might see a Google Slides assignment is a type of assignment where you have to type in your answers. So it's very simple. You just read the questions. There are 3 parts to this expectation. What are they? To type, you just click where it says type here. And you'll see that box kind of gets highlighted. You can highlight that text that's there and hit the delete button or backspace. And then you can type whatever you want to type. Make sure that you answer each question fully, just like you would if you were writing it down on a piece of paper to turn in. Now let's say that you accidentally delete a text box. There's nothing to worry about. It's very easy to insert a new one. You're going to go to this little square with a T in it, and you'll click and drag wherever you want to put that box. When you do, you'll see your blinking cursor is there and you're ready to type. If you would like to change your font, you totally can. That's up to you. I recommend keeping it simple just because we want to focus on what you're learning and not on how cute it is. But if you do want to change your font, there's a little font box here where you can look at different fonts that are there. You can change the size by clicking these up or down buttons, or you can change the color by clicking the little A with the bar underneath. Okay. Another type of assignment you might see might look like this. So this has a couple of different directions on it, and you just have to follow along. So the first thing it says at the top is to watch the video. So you're just going to click on that video.
This is a video made by a group of German.
And then you read what it says to do next. So you're going to take a big breath. You're going to follow those directions. And then you're going to come through here and answer the questions that are here. You'll see it says type answer here. In the video, I noticed, and you just click and you're able to type. When I tried it, I noticed, and you click and you're able to type. And this bonus exploration is not something that you have to do, but it might really help you understand the lesson better. So if you can do it, do it. Another type of assignment that you might see from your teacher is a drag and drop assignment. So with the drag and drop assignment, all you do is hover over whatever it is you're dragging until you see the 4-headed arrow. Then you click and drag to wherever you want that to go. So click and drag to wherever it should be. And of course, you can move these around as much as you need to. The cool thing about Google Slides is that once you have changed something on the page, it automatically updates with your teacher. So she can see and follow along with what you're doing as you're doing it, which is pretty cool. You don't have to worry about it not saving because Google automatically saves it. And you don't have to worry about sharing it with her because if you got it from Google Classroom, then she already can see what you're working on. So it's very cool, very easy. And if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Have a good day.